We've spent multiple days watching these scammers operate in Paris, and if there's one thing that surprised us the most, it was the number of groups running this century-old scam with complete impunity right under the Eiffel Tower. And not only there, we ran into these scammers even by Sacré-Cœur.
Jsme v uličce před Sacré-Cœur. Tady ta dáma, co vidíte za mnou, ta patří ke skořápkářům. Byla výborná, že donutila turistku, která si ji natočila, vymazat záběr. Na rozdíl od Eiffelovky si to tady postavili na takový stoleček. Tady i vidíte pána přímo za mým ramenem, který dělá kontrolu, to znamená, kdyby náhodou šli bengáči nebo něco, tak on to upozorní. Proto mají všichni sluchátka. Je to hezký se to takhle moc popsat. Here, under Sacré-Cœur, the Cups and Balls guys, they just hid in a side alley with their nice table on which they play. And once whatever threat was on the street disappeared, which one of them checked as he walked by, they returned back. What I'm shocked most about is the amount of the scammers here. We just crossed the bridge again and what, maybe 30, 40? It's insane. I thought we were gonna see like one group of 5 or 2 groups, but not 8 groups of 8.